Happy Sunday. I've taken a little time today to integrate the picture viewer converter, but take Apple to high-res images and converts them to modern image formats and integrated it into arQyv. So for instance, I can go just click on any picture here inside a disk image. Doesn't matter. These pictures we've seen elsewhere, of course. So basically any file that you can individually view in arQyv where we understand the disk image format and can extract the file, it'll now just display the picture. All right, that's it. Short and sweet. Thanks.